Hello YouTube. So we have a Joule sieve here. Joule sieve, I will show the schematic in the end of the video, and the input power of this Joule sieve is right now 294. The battery who's powering it is this one, very small one, 3 volts normally. And yeah, here it goes with wires, maybe not good to see, to the input. And yeah, this Nokia phone here is charged by a AC adapter, which is connected to the output of the Joule sieve. And sure, it doesn't run smoothly because the phone is all the time going from charging, not charging, charging, not charging, but at least it's running in a second frequency. So I think it's quite nice to run a device which is made for AC from a 3-volt battery. Thanks to the Joule sieve layout. And this one is a boxed one built by Volksbedini, and it is not a Bedini, so don't get it wrong, this is a Joule sieve. And now I will show you the schematic. I hope it will be good on the picture. Okay. Thanks for watching.